coffee. So I've got this Pavoni machine here, and it had a loose base, so the boiler was just wiggling back and forth, and it needed to have the flanges and the gaskets removed and replaced. So you can see these old ones are really brittle. They just break right apart, and they're supposed to be a little bit malleable, but they're not. There's the gasket there for the heating. That's the heating element gasket, and then on top of that was some burnt wiring. So I needed to replace the safety stat as well as the pressure stat. So I've done both of those because it was clearly having a heating issue, and both of those needed to be replaced. The sight glass, I replaced that, including also the case for it. So here's that case. Now it's completely clear. Before it was leaking, so it had a lot of steam coming from here. Just completely replaced that. The gaskets in the tune-up, standard replacement, and then I also just deep cleaned the whole machine, scrubbed everything, and it's working great now. So I'm just gonna pull a shot for you just to show you the machine is working. This is our test coffee, so it's not perfectly calibrated to the machine, but it's just for demonstration purposes, and we should still be able to get something pretty decent. So I'm just letting water into that chamber right now, and then we'll compress it. So like I said, it's not the perfect shot, but just to demonstrate that the machine does work. So you can see I've got something pretty decent here, and able to get steam too. And I did tighten this up here a bit, so it might feel a little bit harder to turn the steam on, but it'll just prevent any leaking. So that's about it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.